Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm teaching you how to create a complete AI movie series with multiple talking characters, from writing the story to animating the scenes, using free AI tools, even if you run a faceless channel. This is a full step-by-step tutorial, so watch till the end. Follow if you want more AI tutorials like this. Let's get started.
Step 1 is to create our scripts. Every movie, every series has a script. So we'll be using ChatGPT to create our scripts. You can also use Gemini AI, but for this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, this is what you will ask. Give me a script for a short movie series about a Black American girl and her boss who secretly love and admire her, but he lacks the courage to approach her. She works in the man's office as his personal assistant, but one day he took the bold step to express his feelings towards her. So we'll go ahead and click on this arrow here and wait for our series. So we have our script ready here. We have the title, Between the Desk and the Heart. That's the title. And when you look at this series, you see the main characters, which is Amara and Daniel. They gave description of Amara, a beautiful, intelligent Black American woman in her mid-20s, calm, while Daniel, a handsome boss in his 30s, a respected executive, confident in business. We have episode 1, we have episode 2, we have our episode 3, and we have episode 4, A New Beginning. And coming down here, you will see, because it's a series, it's a follow-up for episode 2. So you can even create videos like this for your channel, even your Facebook. So I asked ChatGPT to give me image prompts for each scene in this series with consistent character. So I will send it over here and we wait for ChatGPT to give us the prompts. Step 2 is to lock your character design. This part is very important, so please pay attention. In this part, ChatGPT described our character very well. It described the character description in detail, their age, their skin color, appearance and personality, and style. For example, ChatGPT described Amara character, a Black American woman, mid-20, deep warm brown skin, oval face, soft natural makeup. He just gave us the description of Amara, and the same thing with Daniel, his description, his look. This description is what we will use to maintain a consistent character throughout the series. If you ignore these steps, your character will change faces, body type in every image, so you have to pay attention. What I did was to copy the first image prompt and paste it here. I will go over to the main character, which is Amara, and copy her description and come over to this place where I pasted the main prompts ChatGPT gave us. I'll look for where Amara was mentioned. A cinematic corporate office interior, morning sunlight streaming through large glass window. Amara Brooks. So here where they wrote Amara, I'll just paste Amara description, her look. I go over where they described Daniel, copy it, then I will look for where they mentioned Daniel in the prompt and paste it. This is where they mentioned Daniel. I'll paste his own description. Now, here is the secret many people won't tell you. Every time a character name appears in an image prompt, you must paste their full character description immediately after their name, the way I did. So we'll proceed to generate our image. So I'll just copy my prompts and head over to Whisk AI. You will just open your browser and type labs.google/fs. It will bring you to this platform. So you will see Whisk, you will see Flow, you will see Image FS, Music FS. But for this tutorial, we're using Whisk AI. I'll just click on Whisk AI. It brings you to this place, Enter Tools. You just click on it and it will bring you to this interface. I've been using Whisk AI for a while now to generate my images. it is completely free for now. I'll paste my prompt, then come over to this place to set the aspect ratio. I will be using portraits. Then you click on this arrow to generate your image. It doesn't take time to generate image. So guys, we have our image ready. We have 2 images here, so let's check. This is not bad, and this is not bad too. So I think we'll go for this one. So we'll proceed to download our image. So you click on this download arrow here, and your image will be downloaded and saved in your device. So guys, I also want to try Gemini AI to see what Gemini will give us. So I'll go ahead and paste the same prompts and come to this place, this submit button, and click on it. Then we'll hold on and see what Gemini will give us. Maybe we'll compare the 2 images and choose one from it. Wow, this is what we have here. I think I prefer Whisk AI image to this other one. What do you think? After generating our images, I came back to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to give me a conversation script between the 2 characters for this scene. So I'll go ahead to send it and we'll wait for it to give us the conversation scene. So we have our conversation script here. So I'll just copy it. So you come over to your Grok AI. If you don't have Grok, you can download it if you're using phone through your Play Store, or you can go to your browser and type Grok and it will open. So I have my Grok AI. This is how the interface looks like. So you come over to this place, you click on it, and you will see upload a file. You click on upload the file. So we upload the image we want to animate. We pick the image that we want to animate. So the image has successfully uploaded. We go to our ChatGPT and copy the dialogue. So this is the dialogue. We copy it and head over to Grok AI. We paste our dialogue. You don't just drop conversation, especially when it is involving 2 people. For Grok like that, it will just mess the whole thing up. You have to give it instruction. Instruction that I gave Grok AI, I said dialogue with perfect lip sync. You must put this whenever you are generating a conversation between 2 individuals with Grok. Dialogue with perfect lip sync. Then when I came down here, I said Daniel says, "Good morning, Amara." Then Amara says, "Good." You have to call the character by name. You can even give a little, maybe if it's 2 female, you can give a little description of the person you want to speak per time. Like here is male and a female. So Amara is a female name, and she said, "Good morning, sir. Your 10 a.m. meeting has been confirmed." I don't want it to use Nigeria accents. I want American accents. So I told Grok the kind of accents that I want. So go ahead and click on this arrow button here. So we'll just hold on and wait for our image to be ready. Grok is very fast. So guys, our video is ready. Let's play it and see what Grok gave us.
Good morning, Amara.
Good morning, sir. Your 10 a.m. meeting has been confirmed.
Good morning, Amara.
Good morning, sir. Your 10 a.m. meeting has been confirmed.
I don't think this is bad at all. It's fair. If the result Grok AI gave you, you are not okay with it, feel free to regenerate until you get what you want. So I regenerated the video again because I was not really okay with the first result. The lady was just saying "Good morning, sir," without even looking at the boss face. So but this time around, let's see what Grok gave me.
Good morning, Amara.
Good morning, sir. Your 10 a.m. meeting has been confirmed.
Guys, did you see that? This time around, the lady was able to look at the boss face before responding, which I don't think is bad at all. So I'll still download it. You will see the download arrow here. Then you click on it and your image will be saved to your device. So guys, that was how I was able to generate all my clips using Grok AI. Finally, we head over to CapCut. We click on import to import all our clips. So guys, I'm done editing. Let's play and see what we have here.
Good morning, Amara.
Good morning, sir. Your 10 a.m. meeting has been confirmed.
Good morning, Amara.
Good morning, sir. Your 10 a.m. meeting has been confirmed.
You work too hard. You should go home early sometimes.
I enjoy what I do, sir.
One day, I'll say it. Amara, please sit. This is not about work. I've admired you for a long time. Always tried to keep things professional, but it's killing me.
Thank you for being honest. That takes courage. I value professionalism, but I also value truth and clarity.
I don't want to rush anything. I want to move slowly, with respect and intention.
Then, let's begin there.
I'm glad I spoke up, even if it took time.
Timing matters, but courage matters more.
I love you so much, Amara.
I love you too, sir.
Please, stop calling me sir.
So after joining the clips, the next thing is to export your video. You come over to this place, you see export, you click on it to export your video. And that is all for now. So guys, if this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to this channel, and comment what kind of AI series you want me to teach next. Alright guys, thank you for now. Bye.